Hello students, today we are going to study about Fourier series for the interval minus pi to pi. Minus pi to pi case we are taking two functions, even function f of x is equal to f of minus x. Then Fourier series is a naught by 2 plus summation an cos nx, n is equal to 1 to infinity. In this case, value of bn is equal to 0. Now value of a naught is 2 upon pi 0 to pi fx dx, and value of n is 2 upon pi 0 to pi fx cos nx dx. Now for the odd function, in odd functions x odd powers, f of x is equal to minus of f of minus x, and for this case a naught and an both are equal to 0. So Fourier series is fx is equal to summation bn sin nx dx, sin nx, n is equal to 1 to infinity, and value of bn is 2 upon pi 0 to infinity fx sin nx dx. So we are having two type of function, even odd. According to that, we are using the formula for Fourier series. Example: fx is equal to x for minus pi to pi range, then find the Fourier series. So here given function fx is equal to x की power 1, that is odd power. So it is odd function. Now odd function, then Fourier series would be f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, and bn is 2 upon pi 0 to pi fx sin nx. So by using this, we are writing fx is equal to summation bn sin nx, and formula of bn is two upon pi 0 to pi fx sin nx dx. So in place of fx, we are putting the function, it is x sin nx dx. Now for the integration, we are having two functions inside the integration. So u into v formula will be used. This function is known as u and it is v, and we know that shortcut formula for the product rule is u v1 minus u dash v2, where u is x, u dash is derivative of u, v1 is integration of v, v2 is integration of v1. So we are writing here u is equal to x. What about u dash? Derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. Now v is sin nx. So v1 is equal to integration of sin is minus cos and constant in denominator. v2 means integration of v1, minus sign is already here, n is already here. So integration of cos of nx is sin nx. Again denominator में n. So n into n would be n square. Place all the values in the given formula. 2 upon pi x minus cos nx upon n minus u dash 1 and minus sin nx upon n square, limit is 0 to pi. Whenever we are having the limit 0, pi to pi, then all the sign terms will be neglected as sine of 0 is equal to 0 is equal to sine of pi. So जब दोनों both the upper limit and lower limit is equal to 0, so we are neglecting the sign term. So finally what we are having for putting the limit, only cosine term. For the value of x we are putting pi minus sine cos of nx upon n of pi upon n minus lower limit 0 x 0, then complete value is 0 and final answer is 2 upon n cos of n pi. It is value of Bn. So final answer Fourier series is fx is equal to, place the value of Bn, n is equal to 1 to infinity 2 upon n cos of n pi sine of nx. So for seeing this, we can easily find function is even function, then a naught an is fine, and if function is odd function, for the limit minus pi to pi, only the Fourier series is n is equal to 1 to infinity summation of Bn sin nx, and value of Bn already we have seen in this formula. So thank you everyone.